Hello friends, happy Saturday. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited. I got this beautiful postcard in the mail today from Mardell, and you will see her in the comments. She is the one that also sent me some beautiful wrapping paper and other goodies, Christmassy wrapping paper that I've been using. So I could guess on how she made this, but maybe I'll let her tell you in the comments. Because look at this side. What do you all think it is? Maybe everybody can tell me what you think how it was made. I think I know, but I don't want to say because I could be wrong, right? So if everybody guesses, then Mardell can tell us how she did it. But here's this side. It's a pair of mittens on someone's hands. They're holding a gift in a snowy background there. Very pretty. And then this is what Mardell did. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, that's my address. I don't care though. So some pretty stamps. Here is, I think she drew all this. That's all I'm going to say. But just let me show you how gorgeous the colors, red and green. All the nice handwriting and all the little stitching. Two colors, black and pink. And just really beautiful and so cheerful and colorful, and so, just makes you happy to look at it, right? So let's see. This is going to be day number 17. I received it today. So let's go over. I need to show you what I did yesterday. I did my video, my December daily video, and let's see. So I had this done, and I had written my son, after the video I wrote my son's stats on the back. I told you a few things from his information. The only thing that I changed was I went back and looked at a text between me and him where I was asking him some certain questions on here that I didn't know the answers to. And I said his favorite color was hunter green, but it's actually blue. It used to be hunter green when he was probably, how old was he? Oh, he was, he was in like 9th grade. He's much older than that now. But this is his card. I added the topper, and I added the number 16 here. I still had to do that. I didn't have a number with me during the video yesterday, so wrote this out, added the topper, added the numbers, and this page is done. So, oh, Mardell, look at this page we have next. Cool. We'll have to put it like this. I kind of wanted to add something else, but I don't want to cover up the back, so that's a problem. Let's see. Well, not a problem, but something we need to take care of. So let me see what I have to make a pocket here. We'll put it in a pocket, I think, or a tuck spot. So let me see. I've got my scraps over here and all kind of goodies. Oh, here's a little... this is a little tag that I had used previously on a gift to my husband. There's his name right there. And this is a little tag that I got somewhere. Just, one of those tags, generic tags you get in magazines and things. That's what this is. And so I could use that as the tuck spot. Let me see. I mean, it doesn't... It would be fine. Let me just see if there's anything else. That was just the first thing I picked up. We've got, let me look at the colors here, because I might have something that matches this better. Not that it has to match. So let me just move a few things out of the way here. Put the rejects over here. Things I don't want to use. Here's a little Mary. I made this out of a rubber stamp last year. Haven't used it yet. I used a couple on cards that I made last year. But it says Mary, Mary. So I just did a rubber stamp and cut it out for that little decoration. Here's something that could be a pocket, but it's too big for this page, and I don't think I want to cut this up. And yeah, I don't think I want to put anything that big either, because I don't know if this would fit properly inside of a whole pocket, because I've got to glue it down, and the glue takes up room. Something to consider when you're making a pocket and putting something in it. Your glue space. So let's see. Anything else here? I know I've got lots of stuff. The colors here are burgundy, you know, kind of different greens. There's even like a light, oh, what color is that? Minty green, but more toward the blue side. Have you ever heard anything color described like that before? I don't know what color, the aqua maybe. Light aqua, but more blue than green. Okay, so let's see, I need something. Gosh, I hate to cover up these these are strings of lights here, you know, Christmas lights. Music. This is solid green. I don't, yeah, that's not really grabbing me yet. Nothing's grabbing me yet. I could use this though, or that little, like, but I want a tuck spot. No, I'm not going to use that. That's final decision. Final answer right there. Okay, let's see. Here's a little, that actually matches really well because it's got the red, and this color is almost that color of that light bulb that I had a hard time describing. So, and it would fit like right there, and that would be cute. Good tidings, it says. And that's kind of like describes Mardell's postcard here. Good tidings. She sent me good tidings in the mail today, or I received it today. Let me just make sure because I really like this the best so far. Here's my other tags for other. I really did need all this room too. If you saw my son's card or tag, look how much room all of his stuff took up there. Some of the things I put, I wrote a little bit more on his because some of his descriptions I wanted to make sure were, you know, kind of explained. Like I didn't want to just write for his hobby VR. I wrote VR, virtual reality video games, and I don't, in 100 years I don't know if people will know what VR is. So so yeah, I described it rather lengthy description there. I'm really liking that. I think I'm gonna just stick with that because yeah, I'm down to the bottom of my scrap pile here. So yeah, we're gonna go with this. It's papery, but I think it will be okay. Once I glue it down, it'll be like this. And I can just tuck this under here and it'll be fine. I think I'll make sure I put this all the way out to the edge so I have room to get the card in there. And then I'll be able to see, you know, both sides. So that'll be cool. So a little bit of glue. And if I use some Fabri-Tac, I'll get the least amount of glue on here. So let's see. I need to put it here and here. Yeah, so this is going to be a quick one today. And I'll be sending a card to Mardell tomorrow. Yep, I've been getting all the cards out. If I had got a card from someone, I've been getting it out the next day. Actually, it's harder on Saturday because I don't have any stamps. I don't know why. I just don't keep stamps in the house because I usually buy them from work. You know what I mean? I buy them from work. And then so, you know, tomorrow I don't go to work. So, so then I have to go to the post office and actually buy a stamp. So, but, oh, that fits perfectly. That little bit of glue there from, you know, because you can put just a thin line from the art glitter glue. And there you go. It's done. Now let me make sure. I don't want to put anything else on this page real quick because we could put something on here, like right down here, like this little. No, that'll cover up too much. No, that's out. Where's my other little words here? Let's see, all my little stuff. I've got little little scrappy strips over here. I don't know about that. I mean, it looks okay. It's not really like, oh wow, that looks great or anything. So, oh, here's some little scrappy strips under here. Real quick. Okay. These right here. Can you see over here? I don't know if you can. Yeah, I've got these. Let me just look through here real quick. No, none of that. This is my son's tag goes there. Oh, my number. That's what I'm forgetting. Hello. I know y'all are yelling at me. Where's your number 17? It's in my basket. It's in my basket, of course. Now I have to, no, I pulled it out. I must have, where did I put that? I had it pulled out here and I've been cleaning off my desk a little bit more than it was. Like it was already cleaned off, but I cleaned it more than it was. And here it is right here. Oh, it's kind of big. And it's a paper clip. So I can just stick it right up here. And it can also help hold the postcard in place. Or I can just leave it like that because I don't want to cover up the postcard really. It's so pretty. I want to see as much as possible. I wouldn't even put it behind there, but I needed something to hold it in place. So, oh, what about a snowman? Wait a minute. These are my snowmen. Let me sit back down. I got all excited there. Let me try a snowman. I don't want to cover up the words, or do I? Have I used a snowman in here yet? I think I did use one somewhere. Yeah, I'm sure I did, but I just love these snowmen. I'm looking for any excuse to use them. I kind of don't want to cover up the words, though. So anything, let me just check my little basket here real quick. I do want to put one of my little snowman bells in here somewhere. I don't think I put one in here yet. And looking through my basket. Fabric. So that would be kind of cute. Piece of this fabric, or a little like this. Let me see, where's the rest of this fabric? Ooh, the snowmen are escaping. Okay. Oh, here's one of mine. All right. Let's go with this. No, I don't think I'm going to. I don't like it enough to do that. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it alone before I just, ruin it. So I think it's real pretty like that. I was just trying to see what else I could do. But I think that's good. Short and sweet and simple sometimes is the best way to go. And we've got plenty of things here on this page, and it looks gorgeous. Thank you so much, Mardell. I love this. I just love the writing and just everything on here. I'm sure she probably drew all these things, the lines, and I think she maybe had a rubber stamp. And is this a stamp down here? A rubber stamp? It's so pretty. It looks so perfect. It looks like it was printed. And then just everything looks so perfect and beautiful. So thank you so much. It's gorgeous. And I'll let you all go. I'll see you in my next video. Have an awesome weekend, and have a great day. Happy crafting.